In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background in a Wix website, an essential skill for making your site truly reflect your style and message. Whether you're adding a splash of color, a compelling image, or an engaging video, altering the background can significantly enhance the user experience on your website. Let's walk through the process step by step, using Wix's classic editor. First, you'll want to open your website in the Wix editor. Once you're in, draw your attention to the toolbar on the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll find the Site Design option. Go ahead and click on that. By selecting this, you're diving into the customization suite, where you have substantial control over how your website looks and feels, starting with the background. Once you're in the Site Design section, your next stop is the Page Background option. Click on this and you'll see several choices to make your background as unique as your brand. You can choose a solid color or a gradient from the color option. A solid color provides a clean, minimalist look, while gradients can offer a more dynamic and layered appearance. Next, if you're feeling creative or have imagery that represents your brand, consider selecting an image background option. You have the freedom to upload your own photos, which is perfect for personal branding. Alternatively, you can explore Wix's extensive library of free images. They've got plenty of beautiful options for you to consider. If you want something more vivid and alive, the video background option can make your site stand out. You can either pick from Wix's curated collection of video backgrounds or upload your own. This is a fantastic way to capture immediate attention and set the tone right as visitors land on your page. Once you've picked out your perfect visual backdrop, it's time to tweak the settings. If you've opted for an image, you can apply filters to strengthen the image's impact, adjust the opacity for a subtler layered effect, or add scroll effects like parallax or reveal for an interactive touch. Parallax can create a sense of depth, while reveal and freeze offer engaging ways to present your content. For video backgrounds, consider setting your video to loop for seamless playback, adjust any playback settings for performance, and if needed, add an overlay to ensure readability for any text on top. With these adjustments in place, you've successfully transformed your site's background into something that not only looks fantastic but also enhances your site's uniqueness and professionalism. Remember, your background is one of the first impressions your visitors will have, so take your time to ensure it aligns with the message and feel you're trying to convey. Feel free to experiment with different options until you find that perfect backdrop. Enjoy crafting your creative digital space.